What's up, everybody? It's that boy Twin back in the shop today. Yeah, we gonna get it together. We gonna get it real good too. Let me show y'all. We gotta take this paint off because as y'all see, whoever had it first, man, they was trying to hide it from the repo company and painted it all white. So we gotta strip that off, take the doors off, and get this boy painted. Let's just jump right into it. You. The outside is already stripped. Now it's time to take care of the inside. The dash, the seats, the steering wheel, everything has to come out. It's gonna be a long day, but like I told y'all last time, we're gonna get it done. So let's just jump right into it. No more talking, let's get it, yeah! I did unhook the front end of this car, so I thought maybe the seats wouldn't work, but all it took was a little juice to the battery and they still work just fine. You shouldn't even have to worry about it. All right, everybody, we got both seats out that fast. Look at this. The rats had a feast.
Take it out that way?
Yeah, I think you gotta lift it. Alright, everybody, we got the seats taken out, we got the dash out. Now all that's left to do is take the carpet, the back seat, the roof panel, and just about everything else. So yeah, we got a lot to do still. All right, got the back seats out. All right, yeah. What's up, YouTubers and subscribers? It's that boy Twin. I ain't forget about y'all, man. I know it's been like 2 weeks, but I'm just waiting on a lot of parts to get here. So just an update on what I had going on. I did get the car stripped down completely, inside and out. It's sanded down, everything's ready to go. So now I'm just waiting on this motor to get here because it'll be done for me to go ahead and paint it and then put the motor in it. And I don't want to mess the paint up. I'm gonna wait on that to get here. But once it do get here, I got a lot more content coming. I got my SRT shirt on because I'm a part of the committee officially, man. Red Eye Twin. You can just call me that from now on. So thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead. I got a lot going on. I got about a few videos up, and I'm getting this done right now as we speak. I ain't forget about y'all. I got a lot coming, man. Thanks for supporting me. Yeah, see y'all next time though.